Are you ready to turn the tides in your favor and ride the wave of the future? Artificial intelligence is no longer a figment of science fiction. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming the world as we know it. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor of a technological revolution that's poised to reshape the financial landscape. We're talking about AI, folks, and the opportunities are absolutely massive. But here's the million-dollar question: where do you even begin? How do you separate the AI hype from the true game changers in the stock market? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to unveil 10 high-performing AI stocks that are primed to explode in value this year. We're talking about the companies at the forefront of this technological revolution, the ones developing the cutting-edge AI technologies that are changing the world. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. I'm going to break down each company's financials, their potential for growth, and why I believe they're poised for explosive growth. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve and position yourself for massive gains in the AI revolution. Before we dive in, do me a favor and hit that like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Let's get started. Our first AI powerhouse is Arista Networks, ticker ANET, a company that's literally building the backbone of the AI revolution. You see, AI requires massive amounts of data and lightning-fast processing speeds, and that's where Arista comes in. They design and manufacture high-performance network switches that are specifically optimized for data-intensive environments, like the ones needed for AI applications. Think of Arista as the circulatory system of the AI world, ensuring that data flows seamlessly and efficiently between servers, storage systems, and other critical components. Without a robust and reliable network infrastructure, AI simply can't function at its full potential. And Arista is leading the charge in providing the high-bandwidth, low-latency connectivity that's essential for AI workloads. Now let's talk numbers, because that's what we're all here for, right? Arista boasts an impressive market cap of over $164.13 billion, reflecting the market's confidence in their growth potential. Their EPS stands at 2.13, indicating strong profitability, and their PE ratio of 61.19 suggests that investors are willing to pay a premium for their future earnings potential. Arista is strategically positioned to capitalize on the exponential growth of AI, and their financials back up that claim. As more and more companies embrace AI and invest in the necessary infrastructure, Arista is well positioned to reap the rewards. This is a company with a bright future, and I believe their stock has significant upside potential in the years to come. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Arista sounds interesting, but why should I be particularly excited about them in the AI space? Well, here's the kicker. Arista isn't just providing the plumbing for AI, they're actively developing AI-powered solutions themselves. They're integrating machine learning and analytics into their networking products to create self-healing networks that can automatically identify and resolve issues, optimize performance, and even predict potential problems before they occur. This is huge. It means that Arista is not only benefiting from the growth of AI, but also shaping the future of networking with their own AI innovations. Moreover, Arista has a strong track record of innovation and a deep understanding of the evolving needs of AI workloads. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of networking technology, developing faster, more efficient, and more intelligent solutions that are tailor-made for the demands of AI. This forward-thinking approach, combined with their solid financials and strong market position, makes Arista a compelling investment opportunity for anyone looking to capitalize on the AI revolution. They're a key player in a rapidly growing market, and I'm confident that their best days are yet to come. Let's move on to another crucial piece of the AI puzzle, ASML holding NV. Now, you might not have heard of ASML before, but trust me, they're a big deal in the world of AI. Why? Because they manufacture the incredibly complex and sophisticated machines that are used to produce the microchips that power AI. We're talking about the brains of the operation, the semiconductors that enable AI algorithms to process information, make decisions, and learn from data. Without ASML's cutting-edge lithography machines, these advanced chips simply wouldn't exist. ASML operates in a niche market with very few competitors, giving them a significant competitive advantage. Their market cap currently stands at over $297.78 billion, a testament to their dominance in the semiconductor equipment industry. With an EPS of 17.61 and a PE ratio of 43.72, ASML demonstrates strong profitability and a healthy appetite for growth. But here's the kicker. ASML also offers a dividend yield of 0.87%, providing investors with a steady stream of passive income on top of their potential capital appreciation. This combination of growth and income makes ASML a particularly attractive investment proposition for a wide range of investors. Now you might be wondering, why is ASML so important for the future of AI? The answer lies in the relentless pursuit of Moore's law, the observation that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles approximately every 2 years, leading to exponential increases in computing power. ASML is at the forefront of this technological advancement, constantly pushing the limits of what's possible with their lithography machines. They're the only company in the world capable of producing extreme ultraviolet (EUV) lithography machines, which are essential for creating the most advanced and powerful AI chips. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated and data-hungry, the demand for these high-performance chips will only continue to skyrocket, and ASML is the gatekeeper of this critical technology, making them an indispensable player in the AI ecosystem. Investing in ASML is essentially investing in the future of AI itself. They are strategically positioned to benefit from the long-term growth of the semiconductor industry and the insatiable demand for AI-powered devices and applications. This is a company with a wide moat, a bright future, and the potential to deliver substantial returns for investors who recognize its value. Ever wonder how I find these incredible stocks? It's all thanks to Forecaster, the ultimate stocks analyzing software. With tools that dive deep into financial data, it gives me an edge in spotting hidden gems. Want to try it? Click the link in the description and use my code Galore10 for a free trial. Alright folks, let's talk about a company that's practically synonymous with chip making, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSM. These guys are the muscle behind some of the biggest names in tech, churning out chips for smartphones, computers, and you guessed it, AI applications. Now TSM boasts a market cap that's just staggering, north of $1.16 trillion as we speak. That tells you something about the sheer scale of their operations, and the demand they're meeting in the semiconductor space. Their EPS stands at 45.26, with a low PE ratio of 4.94. When we dive into the numbers, TSM's earnings per share, or EPS, have been consistently strong, hovering around the $4 mark recently. Their PE ratio sits at a reasonable level, especially when you consider their growth potential in the AI sector. Because let's face it, AI needs serious processing power, and that's exactly what TSM delivers. Their advanced manufacturing processes are crucial for creating the powerful and efficient chips that drive AI algorithms and applications. Next up, we're shifting gears to a company that needs no introduction. Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook. Now you might think of social media first, but Meta's making some serious moves in the AI arena, and that's got investors buzzing. We're talking about a company with a market cap of $1.57 trillion, showing their significant presence in the tech landscape. Their earnings per share is $21.83, with a PE ratio of 28.56. Meta's pouring resources into AI research and development, and it's showing. They're using AI to enhance their existing platforms, from targeted advertising to content moderation, making them even stickier for users. But it goes beyond that. Meta's exploring the metaverse, a concept heavily reliant on AI, and that could be a game changer down the line. Plus, with a dividend yield of 0.32%, Meta's stock might just be undervalued considering their potential in the rapidly growing AI market. Now let's talk about a company that's been a creative powerhouse for decades, Adobe. From Photoshop to Acrobat, their software is ubiquitous. But what many don't realize is that Adobe is also a major player in the AI space. We're talking about a company with a market cap of $190.25 billion, a testament to their enduring brand and the power of their software suite. And when you look at their earnings per share, which is 12.47, it's clear that Adobe knows how to turn a profit. With a PE ratio of 35.05, Adobe remains a strong contender in the market. Adobe's been quietly integrating AI into its products for years now, enhancing their capabilities and making them even more user-friendly. Features like Adobe Sensei use AI to automate tasks, provide creative suggestions, and streamline workflows. This is a company that understands the potential of AI to revolutionize creative fields, and they're investing accordingly. And with a PE ratio that's often in the 30s, investors are clearly recognizing Adobe's growth potential in the AI-powered future of creativity. Number 6 on our list might surprise some of you, but hear me out. We're talking about none other than IBM, the OG tech giant. Now IBM might not be the flashiest name in AI, but they've been quietly building a powerhouse in this space. We're talking about a company with a market cap north of $206 billion. While their earnings per share have fluctuated a bit recently, sitting around $6.97, remember this is a company in transition, pivoting towards high-growth areas like AI. And let's not forget that juicy dividend yield, currently sitting pretty at 2.98%. For those of you income investors out there, IBM is looking mighty fine. But dividends aside, IBM is making serious waves in AI. Their crown jewel, IBM Watson, This isn't just some fancy marketing term. Watson is the real deal, a powerful AI platform used in everything from healthcare to finance. Remember folks, we're talking about a company with a century-long track record of innovation. They've adapted and thrived through multiple tech revolutions, and I'm betting my bottom dollar they'll do the same in the age of AI. Now, some of you might be thinking, IBM, isn't that your grandpa's tech stock? And you know what? You wouldn't be entirely wrong. IBM has been around for a while, but that's not a bad thing. In fact, I see it as a strength. They've weathered countless storms and emerged stronger each time. They've got the resources, the talent, and the experience to compete and win in the AI game. And let's not forget their PE ratio is currently hovering around 32.03. That tells me IBM is potentially undervalued by the market, especially considering its growth potential in AI. So, if you're looking for a solid, dividend-paying company with a proven track record and a bright future in AI, IBM deserves a hard look. Don't sleep on this sleeping giant. They're just getting warmed up. Alright folks, moving on to a company that needs no introduction, Amazon. We all know Amazon as the e-commerce juggernaut, but what you might not realize is just how deeply ingrained AI is in their business. I'm talking about a company with a market cap of $2.46 trillion, generating over $460 billion in annual revenue. And while their PE ratio might seem high to some, sitting at 48.88, remember, we're talking about Amazon here. Their EPS is at 4.78. This is a growth machine firing on all cylinders. Amazon's AI prowess is evident everywhere you look, from their personalized product recommendations to their Alexa voice assistant. They're using AI to optimize their logistics, predict your shopping habits, and even deliver packages to your doorstep via drones. But here's the real kicker: Amazon Web Services, or AWS. This cloud computing behemoth isn't just a side hustle for Amazon, it's a massive profit center and a leader in AI services. AWS provides the infrastructure and tools for countless businesses to develop and deploy their own AI applications. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, everyone's relying on AWS for their AI needs. And that's why I'm so bullish on Amazon's AI prospects. They're not just leveraging AI to enhance their own business, they're empowering the entire world to do the same. Now, I know some of you might be intimidated by Amazon's seemingly high stock price, but remember, this is a company that consistently defies expectations and keeps growing at an astonishing rate. So if you're looking for a company at the forefront of the AI revolution, a company that's shaping the future of how we live, work, and shop, look no further than Amazon. They're just getting started. Now let's talk about a company that's been absolutely on fire lately, Nvidia. You might know them for their gaming graphics cards, but trust me, there's so much more to this story. Nvidia's market cap has skyrocketed, recently surpassing the $3.61 trillion mark. Their earnings per share are through the roof, clocking in at $2.57 for the last fiscal year. They have a dividend yield of 0.02%, and while their PE ratio might seem high at first glance, hovering around 57.35, remember, this is a company in hyper-growth mode. What's driving this incredible growth? It's their dominance in AI hardware. You see folks, AI requires immense computing power, and that's where Nvidia shines. Their GPUs, or graphics processing units, are specifically designed for the complex calculations needed for AI applications. From self-driving cars to natural language processing, Nvidia's chips are powering the AI revolution. They're not just providing the picks and shovels for the AI gold rush, they're building the entire mining operation. And the best part? They're just getting started. As AI continues to advance and become more ubiquitous, the demand for Nvidia's chips will only continue to grow. Now I know some of you might be thinking, John, isn't Nvidia's stock price getting a little ahead of itself? And you know what? It's a fair question. There's no denying that Nvidia's valuation is reflecting a lot of future growth. But here's the thing, Nvidia is a true innovator. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI hardware, and their track record speaks for itself. So, if you're comfortable with a little bit of volatility and you're looking for a high-growth company riding the wave of AI innovation, Nvidia is a name you need to have on your watch list. This is a company that's shaping the future of technology, and I believe the best is yet to come. At number 9, we have a company that needs no introduction. You've Googled things, right? Of course you have. Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google, is a dominant force in the tech world. With a market cap of $2.43 trillion, Alphabet is a true behemoth. But here's the thing, Alphabet isn't resting on its laurels. They're heavily invested in AI, and it's paying off big time. Their earnings per share is 7.62, and their price-to-earnings ratio is 25.99, reflecting the market's confidence in their future. Alphabet is a dividend-paying stock with a yield of 0.3%, which is a nice bonus for investors. But the real story here is their growth potential in the AI space. From search algorithms to self-driving cars, Alphabet is using AI to shape the future. And let's be honest, they're pretty darn good at it. Whether it's through their industry-leading research or their innovative products, Alphabet is a major player in the AI revolution. And that's why they're a top pick for investors looking to capitalize on this transformative technology. Now let's talk about why Alphabet deserves a spot on our list of high-performing AI stocks. One word: data. Alphabet sits on a treasure trove of data, thanks to its dominance in search, mobile operating systems, and online advertising. This data is the fuel that powers their AI algorithms, making their products and services smarter and more effective. Think about it. Every time you use Google search, you're contributing to their AI engine. It's a virtuous cycle that gives them a significant advantage in the AI race. Their Google Cloud platform is another area where AI is making a huge impact. They're providing businesses with powerful AI tools for everything from data analytics to machine learning. This is a rapidly growing market, and Alphabet is well positioned to grab a lion's share. So, when you're looking at Alphabet, don't just see the search engine giant. See the AI powerhouse that's quietly revolutionizing industries behind the scenes. Their strategic investments, massive data sets, and innovative spirit make them a compelling choice for investors seeking AI exposure. Next up, we have a company that's been around the block a few times but continues to reinvent itself. Microsoft, once known primarily for its Windows operating system, has transformed into a cloud computing and AI juggernaut. With a market cap of $3.31 trillion, Microsoft is a force to be reckoned with. Their earnings per share stand at 12.17, and their price-to-earnings ratio is 36.58, reflecting their strong growth potential. Plus, they offer a dividend yield of 0.69%, which is always a nice perk for investors. But let's cut to the chase. Microsoft is killing it in the AI game. Their cloud platform Azure is a major player in the AI space, providing businesses with a wide range of AI tools and services. From machine learning to natural language processing, Azure is helping companies unlock the power of AI. But Microsoft's AI ambitions extend far beyond the cloud. They're integrating AI into everything from their productivity software to their gaming consoles. This comprehensive approach to AI is what sets them apart and makes them a top contender in the AI race. One of the things that impresses me most about Microsoft is their commitment to democratizing AI. They're making AI tools and resources accessible to developers and businesses of all sizes, which is crucial for driving widespread adoption. Their AI research is also top-notch. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, from developing new algorithms to exploring cutting-edge applications. This commitment to innovation ensures that they'll remain at the forefront of the AI revolution. And don't forget about their strategic partnerships. Microsoft is teaming up with industry leaders across various sectors to develop and deploy AI solutions. This collaborative approach allows them to leverage their expertise and reach a wider audience. Microsoft is a company that understands the transformative power of AI. Their cloud dominance, research prowess, and strategic partnerships position them as a leader in the AI space, making them an attractive investment for those looking to capitalize on the AI boom. There you have it, folks. 10 high-performing AI stocks that are poised to soar this year. These companies are at the forefront of the AI revolution, and their innovative products and services are changing the world as we speak. Remember, investing in the stock market always carries some level of risk, but by diversifying your portfolio and focusing on companies with strong fundamentals and a clear vision for the future, you can increase your chances of success. Before you go, don't miss this. If you want to find high-value stocks like the ones I share, check out Forecaster. It's the tool I use, and you can get a free trial with my code Galore10. The link's in the description. Start now. Now, if you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. The link is in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more market-crushing insights. Until next time, happy investing.